Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me, Mr. Donald. Well, in this video, I'm going to explain you about simple past tense and how to use the tense in story. Well, we use simple past tense to express an action or an activity in the past. The pattern of simple past tense is subject plus verb 2. And in questions, we use did plus subject plus verb 1. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully in order that you understand the story. And I'm going to ask you some questions about the story. Well, please listen and repeat. Once a dog stood on a small bridge. He had a piece of meat in his mouth. He looked into the water. He thought there was another dog in the water with a larger piece of meat in his mouth. He tried to get the meat. He jumped into the water and he opened his mouth. Of course, there was no dog in the water. It was only his reflection of himself. So, he lost his own meat in this way. Well, do you still remember? Okay, please answer my questions. And then after that, you should practice your English with your partners. Well, question number 1. Did a dog stand in a small bridge? Question number 2. What did he have in his mouth? Did he see another dog? Did he see another dog in the water? Did he look into the water? Was there another dog in the water? What was the dog in the water actually? Did he try to get the meat? What do you think of the dog? Do you think that the dog was greedy? Well, do you have a dog? Okay. I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give kamu and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.